Hi guys, my name is Nonima Dikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Rata because wow, I am hoping that Umuzi Sibiya will answer Judge Rata. I don't want anything else. I want him to answer Judge Rata on what occurred yesterday, just shortly after the adjournment. So what happened yesterday was this: Judge Rata started an assertion. Ukuti, I'm sitting here wondering. I'm not putting it word per word of verbatim as he was saying, but he was sitting there wondering whether Muzi was telling the truth. Like to him, he doesn't believe what he was saying to Ramsipile during cross-examination of Ramsipile. Muzi told Ramsipile that he did not eat along the way to and from Kwanongo, Emahlabatini. He did not eat. They did not offer him food, and he did not get a comfort break. He only had the time to go and pee when he got to Emahlabatini. Otherwise, they did not. He never said they did not eat. The police did eat. He did say. He never said they never stopped on the way. Yet Umkhulu Rata believes that Umuzi is lying. After Umuzi the entire day, in fact, the entire 4 days, because Monday to Thursday, he was telling us about his ordeal with Ugininda and his colleagues, telling us how he suffered in their heads, how they choked him, how they suffocated him, how they cubed him, how they beat him up, all sorts of tortures and inhuman ways that they treated him. Yet Judge Rata decides that Umuzi is lying. Judge Rata decides that Umuzi is lying. I don't know whether it's old age or, in fact, that's why at times now I get very frustrated when people saying Judge Rata, it's because he is old, he's having memory loss, he can't deal with this case, it's too much. No, his memory loss, his old age, etc. Why is it selective? Why doesn't this same treatment go through Baloyi's side of things and his witnesses? But it happens when it's defense. It's happened now to us, people that are watching. It says Judge Rata has decided the guys are guilty. Judge Rata has decided that the guys are lying. Judge Rata does not even care to look at the guys. I remember when the demonstrations were done, he did not care. He did not care when Muzi was showing the demonstration of the arms wrist, the wrist of what happened to him during 2020 when they put him with when he had handcuffs, with the damage that was caused by handcuffs, the injuries that he got from the handcuffs. He did not care. Judge Rata did not care that Umuzi traveled from Gauteng province to KZN with handcuffs. He did not care. That did not bother him. He had no care in the world when it comes to that. Judge Rata did not care that Umuzi traveled from KwaZulu-Natal to Gauteng while a handcuff, and they never took them off. Judge Rata is not surprised that someone who has been apprehended can be taken from another province to the other just to report to their parents that have been arrested. It's not questionable to him. 55 years of experience, Judge Rata. Yena, I'm sure in that 55 years of experience, he can tell us a story about someone that was arrested in Cape Town and taken to Eastern Cape, in Gauteng and taken to Limpopo, etc. I'm sure he does have stories like that, because all we know legally, when you get arrested in that police station, they will give you a phone, call your lawyer or your family members so that they know where you are. It is the first time in history I haven't heard another story except this one of Umuzi Sibiya, of being taken from Gauteng to KwaZulu-Natal just to report. Judge Rata goes on to say, so your family sees you looking like that. It's the first time they see you like that. Your wife, your siblings, your parents, they are all crying. And he says this in beaming pride that you are lying. That's what I could read from what he was doing, that you are lying. He had no care. Does this mean Judge Rata has a mandate to find these guys guilty or what? I don't know, but the vibes that he is giving, they are saying, so that we can all go to our separate places. That's the vibes that he is giving here. Judge Rata, guys, every time I think about it, I go mad. the treatment. These guys suffered abuse in the hands of police. He is adding on that. He is Judge Ratha thinks Ugininda is an archangel. Ugininda is a Michael of some sort. He was there to see to it that Umuzi gets a 5-star hotel treatment by taking him to. He thinks he did Muzi a favor. No, that was not a favor. He knew what he was going to benefit if he takes Muzi to his family. That is why, in fact, for me, Judge Ratha was supposed to say, I want your father to come here. Bring your parents here as witnesses. Judge Ratha, I want to speak to them. That's what he was. If he was a fair judge and unbiased judge, he was supposed to say, bring your wife, your siblings, everyone from home. They must come here. I want them to tell me the story. What happened when you get home? When you got home. That's what we are supposed to get from Judge Ratha. I don't pay this now. He is supposed to be getting into it. I want to hear the views of your family members. If he was interested in nothing but the truth, Judge Ratha decided to dilute everything that was said by Umuzi. In a split second, this is the same man that always say, I listen to evidence. I understand the evidence. I'm here. I understand everything. I read all 60,000 pages. I know everything that is here. That's the same man. This is the same man that must deal with a delicate situation like this one. This is a very, very different case than the usual cases. There is nothing usual. You see, normally says so. There's nothing usual about this case. Yet, Judge Ratha behaves like this. No, man. Yo, every time I think about it, I go mad, guys. I do not want to, I literally go mad because I do not understand. How can this old man do this? How can he say such things to Sibiya? And then I think more than anything else, the one thing that pissed me off is him saying, you can answer this or you can choose not to answer, but I'm going to ask you anyway. And then he starts saying about this thing that Gininda left his family. No, he was on duty. He did not leave anyone. He was not doing any favors to anyone. He shocked me. He shocked me here. Did Judge Ratha just told the country that buzz off everybody, I'm doing what I'm here to do? Did he? Did he? I don't want to even hear anyone saying I'm confused because he's old. Why is he confused when it comes to the defense? He was never confused with Baloyi. And you will see him during Baloyi's cross-examination. There is nothing that is going to confuse Utatu Ratha. Utatu Ratha is going to be within a mindset right. He's not going to be confused. But when it comes to defense, he gets confused. Never. He liked tailoring evidence and testimonies of people when it fits in. No, man, this man, no. I've had it with him. I've had it, honestly. No, there's something that needs to be done. I don't know. They need to report him, do something, but he needs to be reported for what he did. So he told Muzi right there on there, I don't believe yonke lento umtshela yona wena ayikho lento oyitshoyo. Leaving his family to accompany you to go to see your family, as if he's doing him a favor. There is no mercy from that situation. He was not being merciful, Ugininda. No. Umuzi needs to come this morning and answer. Umuzi this morning needs to come and answer and say, first of all, we need to iron out that situation here. You can't treat me like that. You can't. I refuse to be treated like that. He needs to iron. It doesn't even need a lawyer. It needs him to tell him. He's there on the podium. He needs to speak. He needs to speak. No, man. No. He does not even look at the accused. He shows no signs of, I care about what you are saying. I'm attentively listening to you and I'm listening to understand. No, he doesn't. He's listening to respond, to defend. He's ascending the arena to defend. It has nothing to do with understanding the testimony for what it is. No. Whoa. No, guys. Now, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Now, I think Umuzi needs to come through. Apendule. He needs to answer Judge Rata. He better do. Or he better answer him for me. He better do that. I pray that he does. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Do you think Umuzi would be wrong for putting things into perspective? And answer to Judge Rata that that's not what I said. This is what happened. And what you did, it really hurt me. Umuzi needs to use lelo gama athi ungihlukumezile, angikhonanga ukulala. Angikhonanga ukulala, ungihlukumezile ngento yenzile. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts? Let's talk in the comment section. Bye-bye.